Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here and here for the very first time, you're welcome. I'm Style by Sonia. So in this video I'm gonna show you this beautiful baby girl hairstyle. So if you've run out of ideas on what hairstyle for you to make, even for an adult, this hairstyle is also lovely for an adult, but because this was done on a child, I would say if you've run out of ideas on what hairstyle to make for your child or for your daughters, this video is the right one for you to sit back and watch, because you're going to learn how you can make this beautiful hairstyle and you're gonna thank me later. So guys, I started with a knotless braid at the back, as you can see. So I'll just urge you to watch what I'm doing while I'm talking. So I'm still doing the knotless boss braids, as you can see. So our hair is a bit very is very thick, but yeah, it was very nice for this to hold knotless boss braids very well. So guys, I'm still braiding. You can see how this knotless is knotlessing. You can see the way it's coming out so well, very beautiful. Our hair was so nice. Yeah, it really held the knotless very nicely. So guys, just watch me as I continue to do the braiding. So if you are not too sure on how to do the knotless, I will say if you can just stop and watch the video slowly so that you can process what I'm doing in this video. So guys, I'm almost done with the braids. As you can see, oh my god, it's so lovely. So now I'm starting with the stitch braids in front. So I'm using her hair to do the stitches because she has very thick hair, so I didn't need to add any hair, or else it's gonna be so bulky and it won't look very nice, and it won't be flat if I've added hair from the beginning. So that's why I didn't add hair. So I'm done with that section now. So I'm gonna do that, the crisscross or scissors stitches here. So guys, please, if you are new here and you are still watching, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell on so you can receive notifications each time I upload new videos. Please pardon my errors, because I'm struggling to do voiceover. It's not something I really like to do, but I think I need to practice more on the voiceover. It's really stressing me out, but I'm going to try to see if I can continue doing voiceover. Please guys, support this channel by clicking the like button, leave a comment section in the comment section so that we can get the engagement flowing and help to support me as well. So I just want you to continue to watch this video, and if you enjoy it and if you have learned something so far, please do well to just write something positive on the comment section below. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave you here now to continue watching, because honestly this voiceover is not easy at all. It's not easy. So let me leave you guys to continue watching. If you are still watching up to this point, I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate, and do well to share this video as well so that others can learn. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, and keep on watching. Even though I'm going to say I'll see you in my next one, just keep on watching so that you will see the end result on how I finish this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.